What's up, guys? We got a couple bikes in the shop this week that we're putting a set of wheels on. So I wanted to take this opportunity just to kind of let you know that we can do a lot of different wheel options for you if that's something that you're looking to do. This set here I got is a set of Performance Machine wheels in a contrast cut. This front wheel is a 23. We can do big wheel upgrades to your soft tails or baggers if that's what you're looking for. I got a set of fat spokes here from Dyna Specialty. If that's the look you're going for, we can hook you up with Dyna or Ride Right. A handful of different wheel companies, RSD and Extreme Machine, just to name a few. So swing by or give us a call and we'll get something set up.